All right, the first question is create a new material for coffee beans. Let's go create it. Go to MM01, close purchasing, under material management, material, create MM01. So we're going to call it coffee beans, say 01, 02, doesn't matter. And it's a raw material. Click OK. Then select basic one, purchasing and accounting. The plant is Chicago 1. Hit enter. And then give a description of coffee beans. You could have in any kind of description. French roast or basic unit of measure pound, material group 015, and purchasing group anything, and valuation class of 3000. And you want to exit it. Yes. So the material that we have created is coffee beans 01. Create a new vendor for supplying coffee beans with this address: Gourmet Coffee Company LLC, 2000 Michigan Avenue, Chicago, Illinois. Go back and close this tab. Go to purchasing, master data, vendor, create. Now we have already created 4001, so we're going to create 4002. If you try to create 4001, it doesn't work because it already exists. Select 4001 as to copy it from, and select US 01, US 01, and hit enter. So we're going to say Gourmet and give it a code. And there's an address here, right? 2000 North Michigan Avenue. City is Chicago. Region is Illinois. Then hit enter, 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 and save. The vendor that we have created for Gourmet Coffee Company is 4002. Third question, order 10 kilos of coffee beans for the newly created vendor. How do you do that? Go to purchasing, ME21N, vendor 4002, enter the purchase order of US01, the company code of US01, put in a material coffee beans 01 and say 10 kilos, right? Or 10 pounds. What's the plant? Scroll to the right and put in a plant of Chicago 1. And what's the price? Say 10 USD per pound, and save it. Copy the PO number 45000171181. The fourth question is do a GR and IR for the PO created. That's easy too, right? Select the PO, go back, go to follow on functions, MyGo. Put your PO number in, and you got a quantity of 10, and you got to put it in the storage location, say raw material. Click item OK and save. All right, so we've created a goods receipt. Now we're going to create an invoice receipt. So put your purchase order number in there, put today's date in, and the balance is $100. So we're going to pay, the invoice that we received is for $100, and make sure the balance is green and click save. If you don't see any errors, your invoice is created successfully. So we have created a goods receipt and an invoice receipt. Finally, check the stock levels. What transaction code do you use for that? MMBE. So go back and go to MMBE for coffee beans and execute. You have 10 pounds of coffee beans in your storage location.